Hey there, I'm Sarah with WTI. When my muscles need soothing or comfort, I have found this maximum strength muscle cream from Clearbody Organics to give me just the comfort I need. It absorbs quickly, and that's important to me, especially when I'm using it on my hands. I don't want to have any kind of grease left over on my hands. This absorbs quickly and completely without any remaining greasy feeling on my skin. Both my husband and I reach for this whenever we need some soothing comfort, whether it's for our hands or our feet. It works well for us and has a pleasant scent. I love the ingredients because it really has everything you need and nothing you don't. So if you're looking for some effective comfort for your muscles in a fast absorbing cream, I definitely recommend this maximum strength muscle cream from Clearbody Organics. Because it's so effective for both me and my husband, I make sure to always pack it whenever we're traveling. It's definitely one of those items I don't want to be without, even for a day. I find myself reaching for it whenever I feel that my muscles need a little extra help. And because it's an easy to use cream, I can apply it wherever I may be. So I have found it to be useful, and so has my husband. It has a very quick absorbing formula. It's not greasy, and it has a lovely peppermint scent. We have found that it really does work and that the results last. And that is my point of view.